What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another West Angling video. Today we are in Colorado, and today is going to be all about traveling and covering water, searching for these fish. There is a very good chance that I could catch my biggest trout ever. So hopefully my tiny little net can hold fish. Well, hopefully I even hook into one. See what we can make happen. We're in beautiful country right now. Mountains everywhere. And we're just gonna do some exploring. So thank you guys for watching, and stick with it, stay tuned. Let's see if we can go catch something. What's up, guys? Currently editing the video right now, and I didn't really get a chance to discuss this because I was very frustrated. I went to a spot about 30 minutes away. I saw this canyon. I was like, this is the perfect spot to fly the drone. I flew the drone down in the canyon, and then I lost connection. Unfortunately, I lost my drone in Colorado. This was like the second spot I hit up, and thankfully I was able to get a few shots before I lost connection. And the quality isn't the best because I lost the SD card. I was still able to get some of the footage through the app that was connected to it. So the quality isn't perfect, but I still got a couple sweet shots of the Blue River in Colorado. Just sucks. Like that put such a huge damper on my day. I was exploring beautiful country. I was trying to catch beautiful trout, and then I lose my drone and just put me in a horrible mood. A lot of this day I didn't catch anything until this one spot, which you guys are going to see, and I lost a lot of footage before that. So really sucks, but let's get back to the fishing. Just wanted to let you guys know what kind of was going on that day, but enjoy the fishing content. Here we go. Guys, I'm on. I got a fish. First cast. Okay, there we go. We're good. Okay, guys. We're on. We're hooked up. Oh, it's just a tiny little guy. But it's a brown trout. There we go, guys. Oh my gosh. I'm trying not to freak out right now because like there's so many people here, but we Hey man, do you have any pliers by chance? I have no idea where mine went. Appreciate it. Yeah, thank you.
What'd you catch?
Just a little tiny brown trout. You have any luck so far?
Yeah, I caught two on the fly rod.
Nice.
What'd you catch?
Just a little spinner. Yeah. Little homie hooked me up with his pliers. Oh, did you really?
Yeah.
Nice. That's sick. Are you from around here?
Yeah, I live over there.
Okay, nice. I'm from Nebraska, so I don't know exactly what I'm doing, but appreciate it, man. Yeah, will do. I might go try and just look for him quick. No way. There's another one, guys. That's the second fish. Oh my goodness. This is insane. What is it though? We're gonna see if we can knock off every species in this hole. There's another brown. Oh yeah. Ooh.
Hold up. Oh yeah, another little brown trout. There we go. That's a pretty one. Beautiful. I mean, look at the little spots. That's insane. All right, back you go, buddy. Thanks for biting. Wow. All right. That is now 2 brown trout on the spinner. On my last trout video where I was catching those Nebraska browns, that was just so much fun. And if I could have a repeat day like that here, oh man, just gonna be an absolute blast. Oh, there's one. Oh, he came off. That's all right. That was about the same size fish right there. There's one. That feels a little better. It's a little better. Just a little better. Not by much though, but it's a fish. And I'll take it.
Nah, just all small ones. If you walk, is there any good stretches down that way or? Okay. Gotcha. All right, I appreciate it, man. Have a good one.
And shit, I might get my feet a little wet up over here. Was that a fish? Oh my gosh, sometimes it's so hard to tell. I just get smoked. I don't know if I'm just running into something or if fish is biting. Oh, there's one. That feels better, guys. Oh yeah, let's go. Yes, sir. Oh, that's much better than the browns I've been catching. Oh, shoot. I don't have my net. I don't have my net. Oh yeah, a little better. Oh my God, what is that? What is that? What is that? What kind of fish is this? Oh, oh, PB brown trout, PB brown trout. Okay, oh my gosh, that's the biggest brown trout I've ever caught. What do? I don't have my net. Mother fudger. I don't have my net. I don't have my tripod. I don't have my pliers. Get some pictures quick in case you decide to like run off on me or something. Okay, my feet get wet at this point. This is the best trout I've ever caught, man.
I'm out of breath. I ran and got my net. I just caught my PB brown trout. We're gonna get him unhooked. I'm gonna show him off to you guys quick. That is my PB trout. That is insane. Look at how pretty that is.
Now, we're gonna let this beauty go. There you go.
That is insane. Wow. I'm so lucky. I'm so thankful. After losing my drone, after multiple spots with no fish, come here. I'm so out of breath right now. Come here, catch my PB brown trout. That is crazy.
We are at spot numero 5, but spot numero 2 for you guys from what you've seen. Yeah, let's see if there's more trout hanging out in here. And it's actually not as cold as I thought it'd be. This all looks really good. And we're just gonna power our way through this brush. right where this water slows down over here. This looks just money for trout. I can't imagine there's nothing in here. We are gonna conclude the day, get back to the condo. I fished a ton of this stretch with not even a bite to show for it. Not even like a fish swimming away to show for it. I didn't see anything. But you know, that's just how it goes sometimes. You could probably come back here in the next day or so and there's probably gonna be a couple fish hanging out in some of those pools. Maybe they were, maybe they just didn't want a spinner. Yeah, good day at that one spot. And I'll probably include some of Alyssa and I fishing at the end of this video as well. So I will see you guys then. Alyssa's got the spinner. I'm gonna throw the jerkbait around for a little bit. And we're gonna see if we can catch fish. Just yeet it as far as you can out in the middle.
So light.
I promise you'll be able to cast it pretty far though. I got hit on the jerkbait once, missed the fish. Got hit on the panther martin once, missed the fish. Alyssa got hit on the panther martin, missed the fish. So it's just kind of been one of those days where we're just missing the opportunities that we get. Alyssa's currently warming up in the car. So I am going to go back over to the one spot where I caught that fish the last time, that bigger one. Yesterday it was probably 45 degrees out with little wind. Today it's a lot more windy, a lot more snow on the ground. It snowed last night and it's like 15 degrees out. There's one. Guys, I got a fish. No way. Let's go. Holy cow. I think it's what is it? Is it another brown? Looks to be another little brown trout, but we got another fish, guys. All right. There's one. Babe, another one. Yeah. There's another one, guys. I'm kind of hoping it's a different species. It's a rainbow. Yeah, let's go. First Colorado rainbow. Heck yeah. Come here, buddy. Come here. Nice. All right. There is my first Colorado rainbow trout. I need to get him back. Oh, it's taking a minute. He's taking, there he goes. Yeah. He's just a little stunned. I left him in the water the whole time, so he will be A-okay.
Nice.
Woohoo! Let's get Alyssa a fish now. Up, guys, looks like it's another brown trout. See that, please? Thank you. Oh my goodness, wow, that is a beautiful fish. Oh, the net is just frozen, so I can't get him in.
Oh, that's a good size.
Holy cow, look at him. Here, I'll keep him in the water. Oh, that's insane. That's about the same, that's not the same fish, is it? That looks like the same one I caught. Okay. All right, guys, there is, look at how pretty that fish is. We're gonna get him back because he was kind of bleeding. There he goes. All right. Holy cow. That's insane.